Welcome to our kindness meditation. Start by finding a comfortable, quiet space for yourself. You may want to sit or lie down, whichever you prefer. Closing your eyes, start to notice your breath. Make no effort to control it. Just simply be aware of it. Focus your attention on your breath and how your body moves with each breath in and each breath out. Inhaling and exhaling. Notice the movement of your body as you breathe. Observe your chest, your shoulders, rib cage, and belly. Simply focus your attention on your breath without controlling its pace or intensity. Now, repeating this statement, I am worthy of love. You can say it out loud or to yourself, whichever you prefer. Breathing in love and exhaling out tension. Now repeating, I am open and worthy to receiving love. Breathing in love and exhaling out tension. And lastly, repeating, I am worthy. Breathing in love and exhaling out tension. If your mind wanders, acknowledge the thought and return your focus back to your breath and being worthy. You can continue this kindness meditation for a few more minutes on your own. May you find love and light in today's kindness meditation. Namaste.